Okay, okay, guys, this video is coming late, but let's go over it quickly. Okay, so for you to buy any coin from your Phantom wallet, the first thing you have to do is to add some Solana tokens inside. After adding your Solana tokens inside there, you now use the Solana to buy the coins directly, any of the coins that you want to buy. So if you want to buy a coin, you have to look for the contract address, or if you want to search for any coin that is embedded to the Phantom into your Phantom wallet, or search for any coin from the Phantom wallet, you can either search for your coins here directly, but that is going to be, you can either search your coins there or right here. Okay, so now the easiest way to search for a coin here is to add a contract address inside here. That contract address is simply an identity of any coin. It's simply an identity of any coin. So when you add a contract address here, it is going to show you directly, or take you to where that token is, and then you can add it up and buy from there directly. So let's go over the buying process right now quickly. So firstly, you head over to receive, copy your address. You copy this Solana address. Alright, so you head here, copy here, and send it to go to your exchange. Your exchange, either Binance or Bybit. There are many exchanges that you can buy your Solana from, or you can send your address to any vendor and receive some Solana tokens inside here. Okay, so after doing that, now let's head over to the coins that we want to buy directly. So I have my contract address, so we'll be head over to the coin I want to buy. Like I want to buy Cyber Doge, and this is my Cyber Doge, and this is the contract address that I've received. I am going to copy this contract address right here, go and search for it in the wallet. I'll come over here, click on it, then I'll click on it to take me down to where I can now search my tokens from. Okay, so to take you down here, so you click on here, enter it, and then search for that contract address that you copied right here. You paste it, and then you search for it. It's as easy as that, guys. You can see now the Cyber Doge has appeared. So that is how you go about it. You click on that Cyber Doge, it will now pop up here. So you see your Solana right here, and then you see your Cyber Doge. It is very straightforward. So your Solana, you have to impute the amount of Solana that you have. Before you do this, remember I told you have to have some Solana wallet, some Solana amount in your wallet. Okay, so let's say for instance I want to buy 0.1 Solana. This is 0.1 Solana, and if I automatically, if I come down here, it will show me the amount in CDOG, but I can't buy it right now because there is nothing, there is no money right here. Okay, I can't buy it. But if you input your amount of Solana here that you want to buy, you come here and click on this done. Okay, you click on done, but you can see this insufficient fund. This means that there is no Solana in my wallet. Okay, but had it been there Solana in my wallet, I can now impute the amount that I want to I want to buy right here. Okay, impute the amount I want to buy right here, and it will pop up here. The equivalent of the token I'm buying will pop up here, and then I will initiate the sell button. After initiating that your sell button, your token will start trading automatically. So you head over here, and then your token, you see your token around here. It will be among this list. Okay, that's how you go about this. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Okay,